Hello everybody, welcome to Backyard Gardening. Actually today I want to start another project. This project started actually 2 years ago. I made this garden here with wood, and then but I didn't have a time to finish it. So today I decided to go to buy some soil for it, and then plant some flowers or trees, something. Last week I bought about 15 bag of topsoil and manure, but it just with that 15 bag it just can fill out that part of my garden. And you can see I need really much more. So I decided to go to buy some unpacked soil. I found the address. So today I take my truck and then go to buy some. After that I will make another video to show you what I did, and then make it some kind of a series to work on this garden. Another thing I have to work on it, I have to cut these roses. These roses is really not good shape, so I have to some shave it, make it in better shape. Also there is a one fig tree, I have to cut some part of this and make it a little bit organized and good shape. So the thing is there is 2 tree here also, is a grip one and is another one. I have to prepare something for them, but for sure not gonna be today. So all those things take a time. So that is, I'm really short for it. So I'm going to buy the soil and then bring it, put it here, and make another video for. Okay, have a good day, and waiting for my next video. Bye. Hello guys, again. So as you see, I brought in my trees for winter, and then you can see that is the sour lemon, and it's blooming. Actually it's blooming very early, but anyhow, so I just keep them in to make them safe. Now I just want to show you the soil. I bought it right away. Yeah, it's the 2 scoop of a mixed soil. As he said, is for 1 yard. So I just bought it right now, and then I will put it here to see how far it make it full. I hope it's gonna be enough. And then I have a plan to buy some sand or something for here to make it the good shape for future. Actually it's a good project here. So I have a plan to plant some trees by the fence, like some fig trees or something. I already plant 2 grip trees over there. I showed you guys in the previous video, and then I will plant some more fig trees. And also I have a plan to put some you know, sand something to make this area, you know, good shape. So it's a good project for me, maybe for this week or next week. Also today I will cut off those roses and make them ready for spring. As you see, some of them already blooming, and I'm sorry I have to cut them because it's not good shape. So I had to do it before, but you know, really busy. So I work on now on this soil, take them out and put it in the garden, and make another video to show the result. Okay, thank you to watching us and enjoy your gardening. Hello everybody, today is another Sunday, actually shiny Sunday. So I'm going to finish the project here. You can see I already you know, put the soil on this garden, and you know, soil is not enough, so I have to get another 1 yard soil, you know, to add it to here, and then also use for you know, others for other garden I have. So it's almost done. I need just buy some more flowers and then plant them. Also I'm going to start another project here. You can see it. I make it this project to fix this area as an episode. So you can see I bought some wood here to make an, you know, the area here. So you can see. So there is some other things. I will buy some sand to put it here and make it even. You know, this has some not good shape, so there is something to do here. So enjoy your gardening. I will share all those activity I am doing here in this area, you know, with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. I will show you then on the next video the flowers I will plant them here, and then also I will plant some tree in this area, in this area. So I already have some grape tree here, but I will plant some fig tree also. So have a good day and enjoy your gardening. I will make another videos to show you my activities. Have a great day. Bye.